Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Ford Mondeo Wagon, stock reference number 4945. This shape runs from the 9th month 2014 through to the 6th month 2020. It has an EcoBoost 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by automatic front-wheel drive transmission. EcoBoost 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar, factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.